Ever wondered how crucial drug discovery is in our lives? It's an essential cog in the wheel of health improvement, disease control, and extending life expectancy. Advancements in drug development methods are constantly needed to ensure treatments are more efficient and effective. In the quest for such advancements, chemists at the University of Chicago have made a groundbreaking contribution. So, what's this novel approach developed by the Chicago chemists? Glad you asked. The wizards at the University of Chicago have come up with two ingenious methods for swapping carbon atoms with nitrogen in molecules. This might sound like a simple game of musical chairs, but it's a breakthrough that could revolutionize the development of new pharmaceuticals. The first method is like a friendly neighbor helping you out. It works on molecules that already have a nitrogen atom nearby. Just think of it as the nitrogen atom lending a helping hand to its carbon neighbor, allowing it to take a break and step aside. The second method is a bit more of a solo act. It works on molecules that don't have a nitrogen atom in the vicinity. In this case, the nitrogen atom steps into the limelight on its own, taking the place of the retiring carbon atom. Now, these methods are more than just a fancy game of atom swap. They offer a more efficient and accurate way of developing new drugs. And the cherry on top, they could potentially minimize those pesky unintended side effects that can sometimes come along for the ride. But before we get too carried away, let's remember that these methods are not perfect yet. They're like a promising new recruit on a sports team, full of potential but still needing a bit of coaching and practice. Nevertheless, they provide a solid foundation for future advancements in drug development. These methods are not perfect yet, but they provide a solid foundation for future advancements in drug development. Intrigued by these scientific breakthroughs, this is just the tip of the iceberg. The dynamic world of chemistry is filled with such discoveries, each one potentially revolutionizing our future. By staying connected with us, you're not just observing from the sidelines, but you're part of the journey, part of the discovery. So why wait? Be at the forefront of these exciting advancements and join us in exploring the endless possibilities of science. To continuously be enlightened, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating content.